In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Venn diagram on Google Slides. This process is straightforward and will help you visually represent relationships between different concepts. Let's get started. First, open your browser. If you are using Chrome, look to the top right corner of your screen. There you should see the Google Apps icon, which looks like a grid of small squares. This icon is your gateway to all Google services. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu of apps that Google offers. This is important because it allows you to access Google Slides quickly, ensuring you can move seamlessly from one task to another. From there, click on Slides. This action will direct you to the Google Slides interface, where you can create and edit presentations. Once you click, you may see a list of your recent presentations or a button to start a new one. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for creating your Venn diagram. You are now one step closer to visualizing your data effectively. Now open your presentation in Google Slides. If you have an existing presentation where you want to add the Venn diagram, find it in your list and click to open it. If not, you can create a new presentation by selecting a blank slide. Opening your presentation allows you to work in the environment where your diagram will live, making it easier to integrate your visual elements. Next up, click Insert in the top menu and select Diagram. The Insert menu is a powerful tool that houses various elements you can add to your slide. By selecting Diagram, you are telling Google Slides that you want to add a visual representation to your work. This is essential because a diagram can break down complex information into manageable visuals, making your message clearer to your audience. After that, a sidebar will open on the right. In this sidebar, you will see different options for diagrams. Select Relationship. This category includes various types of diagrams that show how different elements relate to one another, which is key for a Venn diagram. Choosing the correct type ensures that you are setting up the right structure for your information. With that ready, choose how many circles you need from the Stages dropdown, such as 2 or 3. The number of circles will depend on the relationships you wish to illustrate. If you are comparing 2 items, select 2 circles. If you need to compare 3, select 3. This decision is crucial because it defines the scope of your Venn diagram and how much information you can convey. Next, select the standard Venn diagram template from the visual options. In the sidebar, you will find various templates that suit different needs. The standard Venn diagram is a classic choice, perfect for showing overlaps between concepts. Selecting the right template makes sure you have a clean and professional look that enhances your presentation. Once you have selected it, click it to insert it onto your slide. After inserting, you will see your Venn diagram appear in the center of your slide. Now double-click the placeholder text boxes to type your information. This is where you can customize the circles with the concepts you want to compare. This step is essential as it personalizes the diagram to reflect your specific needs, providing clarity to your audience. With all these steps completed, you have successfully created your Venn diagram in Google Slides. This diagram will serve as a valuable visual aid in your presentation, making your points clearer and more engaging. Enjoy your new skill and remember, practice makes perfect.